Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Taobao app language from Chinese to English. It is pretty easy. It will be a little bit annoying, but it's fine. So first of all, if you don't have it downloaded and you're trying to download it and you don't find this example in the App Store, you probably you are not in the region to download this. So you'll have to choose a VPN or try to change it to the VPN or something like that. There are a lot of ways to do it. You can go and find out how. To know that you have a country issue, you can go and open Safari, type Taobao app, click on it, and you find App Store, click on it, and you find this error. That means it's not available in your country and region. So for you, once you open it up, as an example, so for me, I have country issues, so I'll not be able to open it. But for you, once you open it, you should find, or you should click at the bottom right corner icon, as you can see. So the right icon on the cards icon. Once you click on it, you'll find a settings icon at the top right corner, as you can see. You'll have to go and click on that. So once you click on it, I'll show you an example here. This is like an English option. For you, you'll find everything in Chinese, so you might get confused a little bit. As you can see, once you click on the settings, you'll find this option. Settings, accounts and security, my addresses, accounts and security, payment settings, and then country, region, language, and currency. So you can go for you and start counting. You can go to the top thing. So it will be settings in English, or sorry, in Chinese for you. So you can start counting from settings. Settings 1, accounts and security 2. In Chinese, of course, it will be something. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sixth text, you can just go and click on that. Once you click on it, you'll be taken here. You'll find country and region, language, and payments and currency. Again, everything for you will be in Chinese. So you'll have to click on the middle option, which is language. Then you'll find two options, whether it's going to be Chinese or English. Once you click on English, you should be good to go. Everything will change and you should click on confirm at the bottom, or as example, whatever like orange icon. So you'll find orange and black icon or button. Make sure to just click on the orange one and you'll confirm. You can just go and close the app and open it up and you'll find everything turned into English. So sadly, I cannot show you in the app directly because I have like the issues with the region, but for you, as you can see, it's very simple. Showed you how you can just follow it and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.